our animal life, we are going to start with the methods of breathing. The methods of breathing are various in various animals. Let us begin with those animals that breathe through lungs. The basic and the main example is human beings or man. The man or those animals which breathe through the lungs, they first of all breathe through their nostrils, the nose portion, and it is known as the nostrils. From the nostrils, the oxygen goes through the windpipe into the lungs. I will draw a brief diagram of breathing system of human beings. This is the trachea. The trachea portion is covered, elongates into lungs. Lungs are two balloon-like structures in human beings, and they are divided into many breathing tubes. This is the human breathing system. Next we come to those animals which breathe through the moist skin. Frog breathes mostly through its moist skin when in water. Similarly, an earthworm also breathes through its moist skin, and these two animals, frog and earthworm, breathe through their skin. Animal that breathes through its gills are very common example, that is the fish. A fish breathes through gills. It has breathing organ over here just like this, gills, and these gills help the fish in taking the oxygen that is dissolved in water and trapping it inside the gills. It can live in water only because of its quality of breathing with the help of gills. Next we come to the spiracles. All insects have got small breathing holes in their body, and they are known as spiracles, and they are connected to the breathing tubes. The examples are grasshopper, etc. They breathe through their small holes in their body surface, and these are known as spiracles. They are connected to the breathing tube. Now we will start with the methods of movements in our different animals. Methods of movement or moving. Now the animals that live on land are known as the terrestrial animals. They have got four limbs, that means the hands, the front limbs, and the hind limbs, that is the legs. But in most of the animals like lion, tiger, cow, buffalo, etc., they use all the four types of limbs, that means the forelimb and the hind limbs, for moving on the land, for running and for walking. The animals like cheetah, gazelles, deer, etc. are very fast runners. They run very fast. Then there are some animals like frogs and hares and rabbits. They are good hoppers. They hop and move very fast. Their hind limbs are stronger and longer than the forelimbs. Then human beings can use their hands or the forelimbs very well for doing various kinds of works. They have got fingers for grabbing the things, and they move and walk and run on their legs. Then snakes have got no limbs at all. They move by means of plates which are present on their belly region. Then crocodiles, lizards and tortoises have moved on their small sized all the four limbs. Then we have the insects. You know that insects have got 3 pairs of legs, that means 6 legs total, and they move according to their 6 legs. Some animals that move by flying, special examples are birds. They have got wings as well as feathers for flying. Insects have got small wings to fly. Then we have those animals which are good in swimming. Even ducks are good swimmers. They have got webbed feet. Frogs have got webbed toes for swimming. Turtles have got flippers to swim. Water boatman uses its legs like oars for swimming, and fish, we know very well, uses its fins for swimming. And now we come to the last topic of this chapter, that is the migration. Some animals move in order to escape from the cold winters towards the warm place. And the examples are Arctic tern, eelfish, Siberian crane, etc. They move from one place to another. Thank you for listening.